Alright guys, we've got a freezer here. It's a garage freezer, and temperature is rising. We're at 45. Now pay attention, lights on, come down here, your fan is back there, no noise, no nothing. Alright, so what you want to do, let's go to the back and I'll show you what to check.
I know you got to.
Yeah. Alright, so we're back here. You can put your hand on the compressor. Compressor is nice and hot, which shouldn't be too hot. When this is hot, it tells you that the unit is trying to start. We're at 134. I like to see compressors around 110, 105. You should be able to put your hand on it without having to remove it right away. So you can pay attention to see if you hear a noise. This is your start device, and every so often you hear a clicking sound. And we're going to check to see if this is bad, but first what I want to pay attention to is down here. That's your timer, and since the unit is off, meaning silent, you want to grab it and you want to turn it. You want to turn clockwise, and if all is well, the unit should turn on. And you might want to replace the timer, or maybe you had a power surge that could have caused the timer to maybe get stuck. So let's try that and see if the unit turns on. All right, so the unit is running. Pay attention to that, and maybe get a surge protector in your garage that will tell you that that is tripped. All right, thanks for watching.